Hey guys, what's poppin'? Welcome to Kids Easy. Do you know what we are doing today?
Yeah, a science experiment.
Do you know which one?
Yeah, a walking water.
Let's start it. So guys, we are taking 4 different transparent glasses. Don't think these are colors, it's just a design, and then we are going to fill it with water and food colors.
Let's get started.
Disappear. Next. Disappear. Voila. Voila.
The 4 colors are ready.
For the next step, we need 3 empty glasses. Boom, they're ready. We arrange these empty glasses in between the colored glasses.
Let's go to the next step.
We just got some paper napkins. We will fold it and go to the next step.
Our paper napkins are ready.
We are going to keep them in these glasses and see how they work.
One down.
First one. Okay. And the last one. Keep it through this. If you see this, it's already started traveling through these paper napkins, and it's going to take a couple of hours.
We are going to leave it overnight
And check it back in the morning. Yeah, they're ready.
The traveling to this empty cup, and the green is traveling to this empty cup, and this yellow is traveling to this cup.
And the red is traveling here, this yellow is traveling this way, and the green is traveling there.
And the blue is traveling here.
Hey, did the water reduce? Because here it's more reduced, I guess. Come on, waterfall. Let's see who is the first one to win the race.
Is blue reminds me as the ocean. The blue reminds me as the ocean. And the green color reminds me as the grass. Yellow reminds me of electric. Red reminds
Fire.
me of lead.
The first thought I get for red is fire, yellow is sun, green is trees, and blue is water.
Blue is not water.
Blue is water is blue.
Coming down. It's already coming.
quite correct. It happens through capillary action. This is mostly present in the way how plants, how they take water from the roots against gravity. Understand? So guys, if you learned anything new, please let me know by commenting it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye, see you later.